In this video, you're going to see me create this using some cosmetic grade markers. I was first skeptical about this product because it is a marker, but that was before I found out that it is cosmetic grade. I purchased these markers from Office Depot. I only used the red, and the red showed up well on my deep brown skin. I'm sure that the other colors will show up well on my complexion too.
Inside the package, it includes 3 stencils and 3 markers.
Watching this video, please like this video, share this video, watch it as many times as you want, and subscribe to Kiata Studio on YouTube if you haven't yet. You'll see me in my next video. Goodbye.